Hello everyone, Neha ma'am here. In the last video, we have discussed about skeletal system. Introduction part, we have discussed about skeletal system. We have discussed about different parts of the human skeletal system. We have discussed about skull, backbone, rib cage, limbs, girdles. If you have not seen the introduction part and the last video, so please see first introduction part about different parts of the skeleton system of human and then continue this video, then you will able to understand better. In this video we will continue from cartilage. What is cartilage? A cartilage is present between two bones. It is act as a connective tissue that forms and serves many purposes throughout the body. It is present between two bones. Why it is present between two bones? What is a function of cartilage between two bones? It is present between the bones so that the bones do not rub against each other when they moved. Okay, that is why a cartilage is a connective tissue that is present between two bones. Okay, now where cartilages are present? Cartilage are present in ear, nose, between the vertebrae in the spine, bronchial tubes or airways. It is also present at the end of the ribs. It is present in elbow, knees, ankle, that is joint between bones. It is present in the joint between the bones. Okay, and cartilages are neither too hard, ना तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा hard होते हैं as bone, यानी कि bone के comparison में cartilages are softer and flexible. Okay, but not too soft as muscle, यानी कि bones के comparison में कार्टिलेजेस सॉफ्टर होती हैं, फ्लेक्सिबल होती हैं, बट वो इतनी सॉफ्ट नहीं होती हैं जितनी कि मसल्स होती हैं, यानी कि मसल्स के कंपैरिजन में लेस सॉफ्ट होती हैं. गॉट अ पॉइंट? दैट इज व्हाई दे आर नोन एज सेमी रिजिड एंड फ्लेक्सिबल इन नेचर. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट जॉइंट्स. Joints, in simple language you can say a joint is the place where two bones meet. जहाँ दो bone meet होती हैं, ठीक है, where the two bones meet, that part is known as a joint. The bones are fitted together by means of certain structures and these structures are known as joints. A joint is the place where two bones meet. Most joints hold together yet allow movement. Okay, you can move the parts of your body at the joints. There are different kinds of joints which allow different kinds of movement. There are two types of joint: immovable joint and movable joint. Immovable joint means from the word only we come to know, we understand the joint which cannot move. वो joints जो move नहीं कर सकते. These are the joints which are present in the skull portion. So you can move these joints which are present in the skull portion? No, we cannot move these joints which are present in the skull portion. It means these are known as immovable joint. Movable joint. Immovable joints. Now we will learn about movable joint. The joints which are present and we can move them in any direction. Okay, that are known as movable joints. So we will learn about movable joints. You can see from the diagram also. Yes. So cartilages is absent between them as the cannot move. In where cartilages will be absent? Immovable joint. Yes. So the joint in our body are of two types, immovable and movable. Since bones of the skull are fixed, so the joint between them are immovable. Cartilages is absent between them as they cannot move. Yes, joint in other parts of the body are movable. Cartilage is present between them. Cartilage यहाँ present होगा because they have to move so that the bones do not rub against each other when moved. Okay. Now we will learn about movable joint. Movable joints are of four types: hinge joint, ball and socket joint, gliding joint, and the pivot joint. One by one we will study them. First we will learn about hinge joint. What is hinge joint? It allows only back and forth movement. इसकी हेल्प से आप क्या करते हो? इस joint के according hinge joint से it allows for your forward and back movement. Okay, forward and back movement. It allows only back and forth movements. Such joints are present in the knee, elbow, fingers and toes. Okay, and hinge joint is like the hinges in a door. Like in your door you have the hinges. If you want to move your door, you want to open your door or close the door, then it may hinges act as a machine which make this work easy. So it enables movement similar to the opening and closing of the hinge joint. Okay, that is the hinge door. It enable movement similar to the opening and closing of a hinge door. Now we will learn about second type of joint, that is ball and socket joint. Ball and socket joint, they allow movement to our body in many directions. In this kind of joint, one of the bones has a rounded head. Yes, it has a rounded head which is the ball. The another bone has a cup-like area known as a socket. And the shoulder joint and the hip joint, the shoulder joint and the hip joint are the examples of ball and socket joint. Is it clear? Okay. Now we will learn about pivot joint. What is pivot joint? This joint allows the head to turn from side to side, left to right, up and down. It allows you to turn your head. It is found between the first and second cervical vertebrae. Okay, directly under the skull, or in a simple language we can say there is a rod-like bone. एक rod-like bone है यहाँ पे that fits into ring formed by another bone. Or we can say the joint between your skull, या आपके वो joint जो skull और आपके backbone के बीच में है. ठीक है, backbone है आपके, this is known as the pivot joint. It means the joint between your skull and the backbone is a pivot joint. It allows your head to move left and right and also up and down. It is present in the neck. Okay. Next, we have to learn now gliding joint. What is gliding joint? This joint allows movement in your, किसमें allow करते? It allows movement in your wrist and your ankle, and also between any two vertebrae of the backbone. Remember it. It allows these bones to slide against each other. It allows your back to bend, turn, twist at each joint. ये ऐड करती है आपकी joint को, आपके back को bend करने में, turn करने में, twist करने में, हर एक joint पे. Okay, हर एक joint पे. So it is also present in the backbone. ये backbone में present होती है. It allows bones to slide against each other in a gliding motion. This kind of joint is found in the ankles, wrist, also in a backbone. I hope you have understood the 4 types of joints. So in this video we have discussed about cartilages, and cartilages we have discussed, and also joint and different types of the joints. In the next video we will discuss about muscles. Thank you.